Hello, young under. A very good morning to all of you. So I hope you and your family members safe at home. Yes or no? So in this Corona crisis, your learning should not stop. Okay? So that's why we are working here. So you should not distance your from your study. Okay? So in the previous classes we have discussed. Okay? All fast question answer. Okay? Today I am going to discuss your question number 2. Okay, 2 onwards. Okay, so go through the it is the workbook. Okay, workbook. Okay, page number what? It is the 8. Okay, with the textbook. Okay, so same question. Okay, the textbook, go through the page number 34. Okay, textbook go, it is the 34. Okay, so okay, so first read one time. Okay, so first fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the question number 2. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, so in your textbook. Okay, so space is there, yes or no? So space is there, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so first question A. So read one time the question, then only answer will be come out. Okay, so read one time. Plants that grow on land are called dash plant. Okay, the plants that grow on land are called dash plant. So it is the which plant? It is the terrestrial plant. Right. Terrestrial plant. Okay. Over. Then come to second question. Conifers grow dash instead of a flower. Okay, so conifers. Okay, conifers grow dash instead of a flowers. So it is the cone. Okay, so it is look like a cone shape na? Yes or no? Then come to question number C. Okay, trees growing in the plain have dash branches. The trees that are growing on the plain area, so these have several branches. Answer should be several. Yes or no? Then come to D. Read one time the question answer. Rosewood, mahogany and ebony grow in the dash. Okay, rosewood, mahogany and ebony grow in the dash. So these are the rainforest area. Okay, so grow in the rainforest. Rainforest. Okay, then come to question number E. Okay, hydrilla and tab grass have dash stomata. Okay, so hydrilla, so they are okay, पानी के नीचे डूबे रहते हैं ना hydrilla and the tab grass. So these are the submerged plant. Okay, have a no dash stomata. No stomata, they don't have a stomata. Means you have to write it no. Okay, no stomata. Then F. Okay, so read question. Dash grow on dead and a decaying plant. Dash grow on dead and a decaying plant. So who grow on the dead and a decaying means जो सड़ा रहता ना, कीड़े सड़ा ऊपर रहते ग्रो करते, तो these are called fungi. Okay, what? Fungi. Okay, so fungi especially grow in the rainy season. Okay, in on the decaying or on the dead body. Okay, so if you throw a vegetable, so after 2 day or 3 day you observe in that vegetable some fungi will be grow, white color patches will come out na. So these are called fungi. Okay, then come to question number G. Okay, okay, read one time. The branches of rainforest trees lock together to form a dash. The branches of rainforest tree lock together to form a what? Canopy. Mean why? So they canopy to protect the rain. Yes. Then H. Water lettuce. Okay. Water lettuce is an dash plant. Water lettuce is an aquatic plant. So it is grow on the water. So these are called aquatic plant. Okay. Then come to question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. So give one word answer. Okay. So in question number 3, you have to say the one word answer. Okay. So first question, the natural home of a plant or animal dash. Okay. The natural home of a plant or animal dash. So it is the habitat. Okay. Yes or no? Then come to question number 2. Plants that grow in water dash. Okay. Plant that grow on water called aquatic plant. Yes. Then come to question number C. Trees growing in the valley and shed their leaves in the season dash. Tree growing in the valley area or hill area, the tree loses in which season? It is the autumn season. Okay. Autumn season. Okay. So in that season they loses their leaves and grow new leaves. Okay. Then come to question number D. Cacti grow these in place of leaves dash. So cactus plant. Okay. So grow in the where? So spine. They don't have leaves. The leaves are modified into spine. Then E. Okay. Yes. Plant that grow on a tree trunk. Okay. So tree trunk means जो ट्री का ट्रंक रहता है ना, ट्रंक के, दिस इज ए ट्री. ओके. सो ट्री के ट्रंक के ऊपर प्लांट ग्रो होता है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एपिफाइट प्लांट. ओके. सो व्हाट? एपिफाइट. राइट डाउन. एपिफाइट. Okay. So then come to E over. Okay. Then come to G. Question number G. Okay, question number G. Okay, so read one time. The area bordering the sea is dash. Okay, the area bordering the sea is dash. So it is the coast area. Okay, or you can say coastal area. Okay, yes or no? Then H. Okay, these trees grow in marshes and swamp area. Means the tree which are growing in the marsh area means जहाँ पे पानी ज्यादा रहता है उधर ग्रो करते हैं. So these are called marsh area और swamp area. Swamp means जिधर पानी रहता है, always पानी रहता है उसके अंदर. Okay. So these are called mangrove. Okay. What? Mangrove. This area is called mangrove. Okay. Then come to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. A. Okay. Make true. Yes. Question number 4. Okay. So make a smile. One smile image is there na. for the true, okay, and angry image for the false sentence, okay. So two images there, one is the smile image, another is the angry image, okay. So in your textbook you check one smile image, question number 4, okay, one smile image there and another is the angry image there, okay. So first question, polar plant have a very little thin layer of soil to grow in. So polar plant, polar region, think about the ice area, have a very thin layer of soil to grow. Yes, it is correct. So you have to make a smile. How to make? This is a smile or true, okay. You have to make smile image, okay. Yes, then come to B, question number B, okay. Yes, then pine trees have a broad leaves, yes or no? No, pine have a thin, okay. So pine have a thin, these are growing on the where? Desert area, so it is a false. That how to make the false, okay. So it is a for true, okay. This is a false. See, in the for smile image, this is 2 point and 1 here line. Here it is okay. जैसा you have to make this opposite, okay. Opposite is false, okay. Then come to question number C, okay. Thorn and mosses are flowering plant, yes or no? No, these are not flowering plant, okay. So it is false. How to make a smile angry image, okay. It is false, okay. Then come to question number D. Flowers blossom even in the desert area, desert region. So it is yes. So flowers bloom in the desert area. Everywhere where you see flower, there will be blossom. Okay. So it is be true. Okay. How to make the smile? Okay. Then come to E. Question number E. The soil in the rainforest is thin as it keeps getting washed away. Yes. So in the soil are thin in the where? In the rainforest area, because always flush the soil by the help of water. So it is true. So you have to make how? True. Okay. Then F. Okay. So the soil in marshes remain completely waterless. Yes. So marshes area means always the soil are water, means water always, okay. So there water are stored in one place. So this is called waterless area. So it is the answer should be correct. True. Okay. For a correct answer it is the what? Smile. G. Okay. Water lily grow in saline water. Water lily. Okay. Water lily grow in saline water means salt water. No, it is grow in fresh water. So it is wrong. Okay. For wrong, how to make angry image? So angry image. Okay. Then heads. Okay. The picture plant that grow in a mineral rich soil. No. So it is wrong. Okay. Picture plant means the animal, the plant which eat insect. Okay. So this is about your question number 4. Okay. Over. Then come to question number. Okay. Then come to question number 5. Okay. So see, in question number 5, one picture is there. Identify this fungi where it grow. Okay. Then yes, write down. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Identify the fungi where it grow. So these are the fungi. One fungi is there, na? So fungi is called mushroom. Okay, write down. These are mushroom. Mushroom. Okay, it grow. Okay, it grow on the dead body. Dead body and decaying. Decaying animal. Okay, so it grow on the, okay, it grow on the dead body and decaying animal. Decaying animals means जो मर जाते हैं, सड़ जाते हैं, उनके ऊपर ये बढ़ते रहते हैं. These are called fungi or mushroom. Okay, so question number 5 is over. Then come to question number 6. Okay, question number 6. What has happened to the table while? Okay, so in your textbook one table is there. In that table you observe. So what is happen? A white color patches is coming out on the table. So why it is happen? So it is happen due to the fungi. Okay, so in which season does this usually happen? So it is happen in the rainy season. Okay, so write down. So answer you write fungi grew. Okay, on the table. Usually happen in the rainy season. Okay, so question number 6. Okay, one table is there. In that table, okay, you observe white like patches is coming out. So these white like patches are called fungi. Okay, so fungi they are growing on the table. Usually happen in the rainy season. Okay, so in the rainy season it will grow. You one thing you can do. One piece of roti or chapati you keep in your house for 2 days or 3 days. After 2 day or 3 day you observe a black color patches will come out in the chapati or roti. So these black color patches or white color patches, it is so these are the fungi. Fungi are growing on that on the chapati or roti. So your question answer is over. Okay, so in the next period, okay, I will discuss your new chapter. Till you have to finish all the question answer and bring your notebook to the school. I will check your question answer. So thank you. Have a nice day.